3. The rainy season. It is also known as the southwest monsoon season. Since the temperature rises by the end of summer season, a low-pressure area is developed over central India. On the other hand, there is high pressure over the Indian Ocean. Hence the moisture-laden winds blow from the southwest towards India. They bring rainfall to different parts of the country. About 75% of the rainfall causes during this season. There are two branches of the south-west monsoons, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch strikes the Western Ghats and causes heavy rainfall to the western side of the Western Ghats. The rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats, as it lies in the rain-shadow area. The Bay of Bengal branch causes heavy rainfall, when it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya and Assam. The heaviest rainfall occurs at Mawsynram in Meghalaya. The rainfall decreases towards the northwest. 4. The retreating monsoon season. In early October, due to decrease of temperature, low-pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the land mass. A low-pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal. As a result, the southwest monsoon starts to retreating and it blowing from north-east. Hence this season is also known as northeast monsoon season. It is a season of unsettled weather conditions. India receives only 13% of its annual rainfall during this season. The coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha get rainfall during this season. Tropical cyclones frequently occur in the Bay of Bengal during this season and cause some damage along east coast. Distribution of rainfall. On the basis of the amount of rainfall, India can be divided into three broad zones. I. Areas with low rainfall, less than 50 centimeters. It includes Western Kutch, the Thar Desert of Rajasthan and its adjoining areas like Western Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat, north of Zaskar Range and the rain-shadow area of the Western Ghats. I. Areas with low rainfall, less than 50 centimeters. It includes Western Kutch, the Thar Desert of Rajasthan and its adjoining areas like Western Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat, north of Zaskar Range and the rain-shadow area of the Western Ghats. Raili in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives least amount of rainfall, 8.3 centimeters, and is the driest place in India. 2. Areas with medium rainfall, 50 to 100 cms. It is a long belt extending from northern Punjab to Cape of Kanyakumari. It is broader in the north and narrower in peninsular India between the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. 3. Areas with heavy rainfall, 100 to 250 centimeters. It is found in four separate belts. A. A narrow belt in Western Ghats. B. A belt from Jammu Hills through Himachal Pradesh, northern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. C. Northeastern India. Mawsynram located in this zone gets the heaviest rainfall. D. West Coast and the western side of Western Ghats etc.